just got this Backguard TV monitor and camera for free off one of the neighbours, because it was cracked and he couldn't get it to work and the wires are being chopped on the back. So let's see if I can. I've already hooked it up to a power supply. How many cables might have come out? And that's all I've got. So I'll try fixing the cable. So I'll do this first and then we'll try the camera again. It's stripped. Strip that. They're only from the pound shop. Oh god, oh that's funny. Oh, I haven't got any more up here. They're all in the garage. Actually, yes, I have a semi kit. That was funny, that. It's been apart before because one of the screws is missing. There we go. There's water damage in there. See that? Poof, there's a lot of damage in there. There's a lot of corrosion. So I'll have to see if any of the caps are shorted out. Try giving it a clean, like you can tell there's evidence of water in the back, so this seal must have failed. So the camera might be worth nothing. There's a lot of green crusties on there, like. So that comes apart. Oh, this is tight in. That was tight. So that board's alright. Well, I would have said that. Some rust there. And that one, some corrosion there. And inside, you can see there's been corrosion inside. So, while it's like this, if I can get the camera working, we can powder coat that. Grey. Powder coat it grey. Yeah, and then that'll match the van. They're in tight. Yeah, need to get that out. Clean these up. See if we can get it working again. Need to clean this desk first. Because I don't have any of them pins, what I'll do is I'll just solder and shrink wrap them. Split there as well, so that's where we can do the there you go. Is that even a seal? Should have maybe did the cut later. Pulled it through first. Alright. So that's that new cable in. There's a lot of crap that's come out of that camera. So all I'm doing now is I'm just stripping these wires back so I can solder them back together. And then I'll decide what I'm going to do for the colour of that, if I'm going to do it grey or black, or I'll just leave it white. I doubt it, like. I need somewhere to put it in the back door as well. Do I put it under the spare wheel? Do I put it under the number plate? Do I put it at the top? but also with this monitor you can use 2 cameras. So we'll see about getting another camera. Oh, that crap that's come out of it.
Dad?
What, son?
Do you want your coffee?
Yes please, son.
Here you go.
Say hello to the people on YouTube. There's the camera.
Hello? Hello, subscribers.
You alright, sunshine?
Yeah. It's recording, isn't it?
Yeah, it's recording. What do you say to the people?
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell.
You're a good boy, aren't you?
But if you can't subscribe and if you can't subscribe, hit the bell and just like it. Ask your parents how to like it.
They're not all kids that watch my YouTube.
Okay. But if you're already adult, you can do it by yourself.
Right, you going for a walk? Love ya.
What? Love you.
Love you, son. Right, I've got my box of shrink out. So we've got any small thin ones. Be all at the bottom like. Should be some thinner ones like these, quite thin. Ouch. That is hot and that's stretched. He's not going to fit now though. I'm trying to use the ones as thin as I can because so I can get them tucked up inside the camera. It's obviously not working. See, a lot of people, when they push them together, they say take one strand out, separate them all, and then wrap them, the next strand, wrap them, next strand. I was going to swear then, but look at that, stick them together, twist one wire, twist the shroud, and then twist the wire. and that normally gets them to sit like that. Now you can come in and give it some solder. Like that. Beautiful. Put a bit of tape around, do you reckon? Not gonna hurt it, is it? This'll do. Yep. And what I'll do is I'll put some seal around it before it goes on the van. Perfect. I might end up spray painting this because I didn't think about that. I'd have to take them wires back out to powder coat it. Right. Right, that's what one job done. Let's see if it works. Oh no, sorry. Gotta clean this out. That board's fine, isn't it? It's got no rust on. Oh, might have a bit there. Clean this board up, clean the other board up, put it back together, and then see what she does. Get this bloody one out. Oh, my desk's a right mess. Right. Toothbrush. I'll stick you in the way of the camera. Oh, it's come up beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Ah! I keep pouring that all over myself. Nice. Oh, nice. One down, one to go, wherever it is. Is that it? Bit there. Oh, that's gone. Yes, it's gone. Nice. Right, let's see if this bad boy works. See if I can remember how it goes back together. It's obviously camera. Oh, this went under the camera, didn't it? So did that go that way? Like that. Did it? No, it didn't. Or did this went under the camera? Yes. Like that. That one plug in there. Yep. And then this plugs in here. Like that. Right. So that's our camera back in, yeah? So I just put it back in, I'll put it back in now. That way. I don't think it went that way. It went that way. Yeah, and down there somewhere. But I don't know. What's stuff in? How did you go again? Right, so it's good enough to test it though, isn't it? So I'll leave that there for now. We'll get our screen back up. Plug it back in. I haven't got the correct plug for this, so it's got negative on that side and positive on that side. So one of them must be ignition. So power our power supply back up. It's up to 15 volts because this takes between 12 and 15. 24, sorry, 12 and 24. Plug our camera in. It's 2 slots, it's 2 cameras, camera A and camera B. So we'll go into camera A. That way. Yep. Turn on. And it still doesn't work. Whoa! Where's the volume at? Yes, it's got audio on as well, look. Huh? Oh, look at that! It's in black and white though. That's the camera working. Me upside down. Hey, hey! She works. Happy days. This, yeah, this was all cracked. So I took it apart, plastic welded it from behind. Might see if I can fill it in a little bit and airbrush it. Otherwise I'd have painted the whole thing, but I'll not be able to get these white writing back. I'll not be able to copy it. But yeah, it's in black and white, 2 channels, volume. That's spot on. So that's it working. Happy days, guys. Cheers.